Hi there, welcome to IEL Teachers. In this video, we'll learn about algebraic substitution. It's mainly a topic for Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, and GCSE, both foundation and higher maths. Substitution means putting numbers in place of letters to calculate the value of an algebraic expression. Question number 1, p is equal to mn. When m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5, work out the value of p. Right, here we must know that two letters together means they're being multiplied. So basically what we need to do is we are going to replace m with 2. We are going to replace n with 5. What operation is going on between them? As I said, two letters together mean they're being multiplied together. So there must be a multiplied sign. So 2 times 5 is 10. Question number 2. Q is equal to 2a plus 3b. When a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10, work out the value of q. And here we are going to replace a with 4. So basically 2 lots of 4. We are going to replace b with 10. So 3 lots of 10. And what will this give me? This will give me 8 plus 30, which is going to be 38. Question number 3, y equals 4x minus 3. Work out the value of y when x equals 7. Right, again, it's the same practice. We are going to replace x with 7. So we are going to write y equals 4 lots of 7 take away 3. That will give me 28 take away 3, which will be 25. Question number 4. V is equal to u plus 80. Work out the value of v when u is 10 and a is 4 and t is 6. That's going to run v equals u is 10. Substitute u with 10 plus a is 4 and t6. What arithmetic operation is going on between 4 and 6? Again, I must tell you that when two letters are together, it means they're being multiplied. So they're being multiplied. So basically 10 plus 24. And the final answer is going to be 34. Question number 5. A equals half a plus b times the h. Work out the value of a when a equals 14, b equals 8, and h equals 12. Again, the same practice. We are going to substitute a and b with 14 and 8, and h with 12. Right, 14 plus 8 is going to be 22, and half of 22 is 11, and 11 times 12 will be 132. Question number 6. S equals v squared minus u squared divided by 2a. Right, so here we can see that v is 6. We're going to write 6 squared minus u, which is 4 squared, divided by 2 times 5. 2a means 2 times the value of a is 5, so 2 times 5. So what I'll get is 6 squared 6 is 36. Take away 4 times 4 is 16, and all of that divided by 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So 20 divided by 10 and 20 divided by 10 will give me 2. Question number 7. Y equals 2abc, all of that over d. Work out the value of y when a equals 2, b equals 5, c equals 3, and d equals 12. So what we need to do is we're going to replace a, b, and c with 2, 5, and c respectively, making sure that we multiply them, because letters and numbers written together means they're being multiplied. So 2 times by 2 times by b equals 5, so 5 and times by value of c is 3. And all of this is divided by 12. And 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 3 is 60. So 60 over 12 means 60 divided by 12, which will give me 5. Question number 8. V equals 4a plus 2a squared. Work out the value of v when a equals 2. So we'll replace a with 2. 4 times 2 plus 2 times 2 squared. 4 times 2 will give me 8. And plus 2 squared is 4, and 4 times the 2 will also give me 8. So 8 plus 8 will give me 16. Part B. Right, and a equals minus 2, we have to work with the value of 3 again. So what we're going to do is b equals 4 lots of minus 2 plus 2 times by minus 2 squared. Here we have to be very careful because there's a negative sign, so that's why it's going to be 4 times by minus 2 will give me minus 8, and plus, what will that give me? Minus 2 squared, although it's a negative number, but whenever you square a number, you always get a positive answer. So 4, positive 4 times the 2 will give me, so you get positive 8. Minus 8 plus 8 will be 0. 9. Y equals 4x plus 5. Work out the value of x when y equals 9. Right, this question is different from all of the previous question. Why? Because in this one, just substitution won't give us the value, because after substitution we have to rearrange and solve the equation. Right, so let's say y equals 29, we write 29 equals 4 lots of x plus 5. Right, here we have to solve it for the value of x. So what we need to do is we solve it like an equation, take the 5 from both sides, take the 5 from both sides, and this will give, these two will get cancelled, and I'll get 24 equals 4x. And then I can divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4 will give me x equals 6. Question number 10. Y equals 5a squared minus 2. Part A, work out the value of y when a equals minus 2. Right, so again the same practice, replacing a with minus 2. Y is equal to 5 lots of minus 2 squared minus 2. 5 times a minus 2 squared will give me actually positive 4, because whenever we square numbers we get positive answer. So 5 times 4 will be 20, and 20 take with 2 will give me 18. Y equals 18. Part B, work out the value of a when y equals 43. So we are going to replace y equals 43. Right, so we are going to replace y with 43. And then we will try to solve this equation for the value of a. So at the moment, to solve this equation, I need to add 2 on both sides. If we add 2 on both sides, we will get this plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. I'll get 45 equals 5a squared, and then I can divide both sides by 5. And if I divide both sides by 5, I will get 9 on this side and a squared on that side. So basically I get a squared is equal to 9. And as we know that if we square root both of these sides, I'll get the value of a as plus or minus 3. I hope you found this video beneficial. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.